Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on Sadhana workbook. For this you can refer our workbook page numbers 44 and 45. Our first question is, name each of the following angles in two ways. How will you name these angles? If you look at these two arms, first one is A, B, C, right? So, what you will write? Angle A, B, C. This is our first angle, and one more angle from here you can write CBA. Angle CBA. Okay, right. And then in the next figure, you can form an angle, and here you can write it as angle LMN. Remember, where the angle is getting formed, that should be in the middle. That alphabet should be in the middle. Okay? Here also, it is in the middle. Right? And here I have taken M. Angle formed at M. Letter M. So, I have considered this angle as LMN. And now, one more angle is NML. Right? Let us move to the next question. How many angles are formed in each of the following figures? Okay. Let's count the number of angles that can be formed in these figures. Okay? Let us write. In the first figure, children observe carefully. Here I can form one angle and one more angle between these two and another angle between these two. So, total here till here I have formed three angles, and now one more like this two, I am adding these two, and here I am drawing, then it will become our fourth angle, and here I can draw one more, and this will become fifth angle, and I can consider total angle, right? That will become my sixth angle. So, total how many angles are formed? 6 angles. And if you observe this pic, here one angle can be formed here and one more here, and I can form one more like this. So, how many angles here? It is 3. Okay, right. And here in this picture, these are two intersecting lines. Between two lines you can form one angle, so they will become 4, right? And between these two, here I can form one 180-degree angle, and here also again in the same way I can form one more 180 degrees. Now you clearly observe, children, while writing, carefully observe. From here to here I can form one more, and that will become one more 180 degrees, and from here to here I can form one more, that will become one more 180 degrees. So, total how many? In the middle we have formed 4 angles, and on the outside one like this, that means 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So, total how many angles? 8 angles. Okay, right. Next one. Without measuring, classify the following angles. No need of measuring the angle and then classify the angles. Without measuring, if you observe this first angle, this is more than 90 degrees. It is moving from 90 degrees to towards 180. If an angle is between 90 and 180, then how can you name that angle? That angle is, if an angle lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, then what do you call that angle, children? That is known as acute angle or obtuse angle? That is known as obtuse angle. And here, if you clearly observe, this is a right angle, right? So, this is right angle, and this one is Here also right angle is formed at Y. So this is also right angle. Okay, right. Okay children, this is how you have to form the angles. Okay, right. Hope you understood the session children. Thank you.